Hi, I'm Tanish Agrawal from the Scindia School, which is in Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, India. My school is on a fort, the top of a rocky plateau with a massive campus of 110 acres. We have been working on an ecological park and a rainwater harvesting project. First of all, I will be talking about the ecological park. In the past, over centuries, the inhabitants haven't given enough attention to understand what sort of plant species can thrive in this environment. And for the sake of planting trees, people had planted subabul, an invasive species originally from Mexico, all around the fort. It has been found that this invasive plant sucks all the nutrients and water from the soil, making it acidic and restricting the growth of other plants in this area. Because of its high proliferation and growth rate, trying to eradicate this plant from the school seems to be a tedious task. As a countermeasure to reverse the adverse effects caused by this plant, we have been working with two ecological gardeners, Mr. Pradeep Krishnan and Mr. Fazal Rashid. We have understood from visiting different reference sites and collecting soil samples that there are certain species of plants that can prove to be of beneficial use in fragile ecosystems. We have been planting a tree in abundance called Kardhai. Kardhai is a very good plant that acts in improving soil quality because it is a plant that doesn't require a lot of maintenance and water. What this plant does is it allows other plants that need water to acquire water from the soil, and its large network of roots help to hold the soil together, preventing erosion. In addition, we have also introduced several native species to add diversity to the landscape, which has shown significant results in the increase of bird and microfauna populations in the landscape. Moreover, we are using methods like girdling to remove the subabul simultaneously. Talking about the rainwater harvesting project, there has always been a lack of water on the fort, and finding a solution became necessary for the sustainability of the school. In the rainwater harvesting project, we decided to use taals or big ponds. We have 7 of them. What we did was we made well connected channels leading to different taals, which would bring water when it rained. During the monsoons now, these taals are completely filled, which turned out to be so efficient that it is not only giving water to the school even during the summer season, but we are also planning to supply water to the city in the coming years as a part of giving back to the society. Lastly, these both projects evolved and took a lot of time, but it was completely worth it.